Hey guys, is your leather looking dirty like this and you want it to look like this? I'm going to quickly show you how. I only use two products, this leather cleaner from Meguiar's and a little small plastic scrub brush. I picked this up from my local Walmart. I think it's about $5, but I found it on sale for $1.50. Ignore the motorcycle leather part. What's important is a reputable company and the fact that it's a leather cleaner. You can also pick up a small little scrub brush like this at your local Walmart. Kiwi also sells a wooden little brush like this for their shoe leather products. That should be more than just okay. I also just have a spare rag to wipe down the leather surface. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your product and turn it over and read the instructions. Now, Meguiar's specifies to try the product in an inconspicuous area in case there's any color changing, and you don't want that to happen on your nice leather. What I've done is I take the product, squeeze some onto the bristle brush directly. Then I choose an inconspicuous spot and try it out. Once you're done, wipe away any excess and check the spot to make sure that the color isn't changing and it's the desired results. If you look at the grain of the leather, it shows it goes in a variety of different directions. It's not like wood where it's a uniform grain going straight across. So, in order to clean this properly, we want to get in all those little ridges there. In order to get in those ridges, you'll want to scrub with a circular motion back and forth. Add some pressure, and eventually you'll see all the dirt and gunk stuck in your leather be gone. Now that we have our product and our brush, we're going to squeeze some directly onto the brush, spread it around, put the product off to the side, and we're going to scrub the leather in a circular motion. Alright, a couple seconds have passed. We're going to wipe down the spot, and voila! Look at that difference. This was just like this a second ago. I only spent about 10-15 seconds scrubbing this. Now, you can continue using this method all along the door or wherever else you have leather, and that should provide the same results. Give it a try. Do some DIY. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys.